TradingView versus Yahoo Finance, which is better? Most people get this wrong by comparing only price charts. The surprising truth is that TradingView and Yahoo Finance serve different needs depending on your investing style. TradingView is a professional-grade platform offering advanced charting, technical analysis, and custom indicators. It's ideal for active traders, day traders, and anyone who wants to track multiple markets in real time. You can use drawing tools, alerts, and scripts to optimize your trading strategies. Yahoo Finance, on the other hand, is more beginner-friendly. It offers stock quotes, basic charts, financial news, and portfolio tracking. You won't believe how accessible it is for casual investors, making research and monitoring simple without overwhelming tools. In terms of cost, Yahoo Finance is mostly free, while TradingView has a subscription for premium features. If you value deep technical analysis, TradingView is better. If you want quick market snapshots and news, Yahoo Finance is more practical. In conclusion, TradingView is best for active traders who need detailed analytics and customization. Yahoo Finance suits casual investors seeking a straightforward, accessible platform. Your choice depends on how you trade, what information you need, and your comfort with complex tools.